find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is given part by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CO.za as Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0 at the FNB Stadium in the Betway Premiership on a Wednesday evening. One of my fears was that we were going to see a 0-0 draw. It looked like it until the end, where the substitution Undlovu scored the winning goal. Trying to look at the log now, it looks like Kaizer Chiefs are top of the log. No, it's actually it's Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe on alphabetical order, where they both have the same 3 goals and no goals conceded. Yeah, it's just so one of them has to be top. So Kaizer Chiefs are number 1 as it stands. Screenshot that, put it on a shelf. We shall see whether or not it will be true at the end. Very poor game of football. We saw a goal towards the end, though. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Junior Kanya, our analyst. What did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa Justice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa Ulindo Pep. Ngibulisa Umtanela Snam.
Yes, sir. Checks and checks.
Ngibulise uDie Hard. Yeah, ngibulise uBobzini, ngibulise noShane. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iTSK TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Fethu ngicela ucompliment iKaizer Chiefs mfethu for 6 points.
Top of the log.
Yeah, super compliment. I mean, I think by need a win. Wins, it's very important for them. I think they were not to go top 8 next year. The man of the machine in Tona Gamakati. Kuneskelem food. No, it's Kelem. No, all of the guys did very well. All of the guys did not men of the match, man. Yeah, going to the game in I was complimenting Kaizer Chiefs in 6 points.
Top of the log.
Yeah, top of the log as well. Currently
top of the log. Yeah, Chiefs is the one. The first name is Chiefs. Top of the log.
For now.
Well done. What did you think of the game, though, itself?
Yeah, going to the game, I think it came with quality for me, both teams.
For sure.
But Chiefs needed more than Polokwane City. So I need Chiefs because I think they were aggressive. They never played beautiful. But at home ground, they still each and every game. I don't think they dominated this game, especially in Kalang midfield. I'm talking about Umtetwa, Uqele Mdu. Umfana bekabukeka busy, but naye lack creativity, lack a character. He's supposed to go direct to going sideways. In Kulmanga first half, Chiefs they were going sideways. Both wingers not even Abeko. Agnante by Eddie today. They are azang babe impact. I think even last week, Ule came there when Stellenbosch, I'm wing Chiefs, wing forward. I'm talking about Ilepo, Utuba. Those are strikers for me. Direct players sitting on the line, isolating always Lomfano Dlala as a striker. And I should say to like first half when they were going sideways, they never created so many chances. The Polala wing at ball created a chance. Not even creating because the Polala someone is any police ball. Ile Polala link regular lepo. Other than that, they were playing sideways passes. Polokwane City coming to this game, was good, but pound to pound they cannot match Kaizer Chiefs in terms of profile. I'm a player balandi into an epuqini as born into an as tournament list. Dlali counter attack. Uputi came brought this boy. Nyabonu replace Alomfan low number 7 Dlalaga left. Speedy player. Become replaced with police guy. But technically poor decision making. Mela Lungi says got speed umfani advantage yake. Ichimi yake. I need to be honest, Bebar like counter attack.
Yeah.
They didn't do much for Nagi. Behind the ball, every man behind the ball. But very difficult to Kaizer Chiefs. Ula ngichi Chiefs na bigmele. Ula bigmele very quality of players they've got or quality of players they've signed this year. I think playing too many negative passes. Yes, we are available, but negative man. Him name Mtetwa need to mela alungisi technique ya kumchita. He need to ama passes kulma accuracy. Can't lose the ball in a pass. I mean, it's poor for him playing for Kaizer Chiefs. As Gisho was busy, but we want to see him making runs behind the defense. Yena begawa dlala ama run wakhe begawenza sideways. Duba not much on the game, sitting on the line. He couldn't even take a defender one-on-one. No Liliepo. Always playing, ngena phakathi khatha in, uranela ku-traffic, upasa backwards. Ibhola liselayinini yabo libusela backwards, kumele libuyele goalkeeper. A danger ball ukuba yi-negative ball. And then I think baleki creativity nje cheese. Pulukwane City bebanga nama-answer. Kuleko they came behind the ball, that's all. Rely ku counter-attacks. They didn't have quality ukuthi bangamatch Kaizer Chiefs. But now Chiefs, they lack quality in kulubanga first half. Second half, I think they were exhausted, these guys. The ground looked cool for bona labafana yababona. Kaizer Chiefs came, Ngbonile Nzama Modi came, Uyenuka Chain, well done to him for scoring the goal. But the goal, it's anybody's ball, it's a cross diagonal ball, and then Walbuisa, I think it's Tuba. Frost, I mean to say, wing back.
It was cleared on the line
Yes.
by the defender.
Balsevile Lepola, Frosta Walbuisa, and then the defender was failed with clear. I'm not too sure what the defender really failed with clear. But well done, Ukachin with a 20 box in and finish. But Kaizer Chiefs, they made kula bese ngifuna ukubona abasecurity ibhola ke ngifuna ukubona ama passes, counting passes as well for confident. Angithi sibheka I marathon lebo dlala other games that they will play mabuza ama questions because the game was open. Akusi game, it was not a game exciting. We need to be honest. Bengana intensity futhi. They playing a slow pace, both teams. Laba abanye ke they lack quality. They couldn't abana individual even brilliant. They don't have even one star player in their team. A player that will stand on the ball or ozobacabangela. They all play the same. So well done to Chiefs. I think they deserve to win this. They didn't play beautiful, but they deserve to win. Maybe Funa more than this. And like Bona, they were more aggressive than this team.
Yeah. What do you think about the coaching situation? Because it's 2 matches now without Coach Nabi. He's got an emergency with his wife.
I scared this, yeah.
Well, we have to say that officially as well for the respect of what's happening with his family. He's got an emergency with his wife. She is sick and he had to go back home in Tunisia. That's the official statement that was released by Kaizer Chiefs and that's what they're saying his wife is going through as well. It's a very important thing with the life of a human being. But they played 2 matches without him, and it seems that they won those 2 matches without him.
As usual, officially team keep a statement. But when you look at it, mina being doubt avail kutuzobuya kusizini. Me, yes, they said it in the official. Vele kunomuntu ogulayo, which is umuntu makagulelwa, you need to attend umuntu akibo. Yes, they said it that, but mina mangibheka manini raise ama questions amaningi kakhulu. Well done to the assistant coach who won. Though team abayikabi balance. Yabo,
Because abantu bakhe uCedric Cousin noNanomchita lo Khalil Ben Yusuf abantu bakhe Nabi.
I know,
it's his technical team, so it's not like Atazwane or Dr. Khumalo. It's not like Chiefs got rid of him and then there's abantu be Chiefs. It's still his people and his starting lineup as well, and even the way they play.
Yeah, but outside we want this thing ends. Somebody's bringing his technical team. They get rid of him. His solid technical team. Along the way, Nabo Baba get rid of them. I'm not saying they're gonna get rid of the guy. Sure. They said it, and we respect. Apart from which we respect the guy. There's a human being okulai. Media, which is again kumuntu ongagulelwa imedi bangamrelease, even if team important kangakanani, a human being umphefumulo kumuntu important. So the guy, those minagim njoba ngishiriza ama question nokuthi abuye obvious game.
In your opinion, you
That's
think that
my
there's something more?
Opinion yami.
It's not just the story ukuthi uyagula.
That's my part.
It's possible ukuthi well, let's go to the point then. It's possible ukuthi angabuyi njengoba baqhubeka kanje.
For me, technical team ibanike enye direction ukuthi we winning without him. Phela abanye abantu they don't care how they play. I mean, I'm talking about Chiefs manje.
Yeah, that was a poor game too.
Yeah, no. Even with Stellenbosch, Stellenbosch, they were going at them. Their chances, with Stellenbosch much better than even today. With Stellenbosch Chiefs, they were better because the intensity was so high. Now they were maintaining it. Now we go pound to pound, attacking after attack. But in today's game, how many shots on target? In Kulmang Chiefs, Pulukwane City, I don't count them. They were out of this game. Bona they lack quality, but 13 dollars is just a put. You are born with such a nervousness. Unezinto kusamele adjust. But obviously, in the PSN now, the way poor on a corner. We never game bazwa win Pulukwane City. But coming to this game, Chiefs they deserve to win this game. No matter what good, they deserve because there's certain players which is Jengabo Serino. Serino, I think first half when you win a moment, bubonakala ngathi there's something uSerena zoyenza for Chiefs. Ngala set piece. Every time he got the ball, umuntu bekabakwazi ukuthi makaphethe ibhola him and him too bekenzeka something. But none other than that, there's the overall team performance. I don't think it's a good performance for them. But well done for a win because bebayifuna more. They were going irrespective of they were making mispass, make wrong passes, but they were going. And well done for that. Even Namasapi and Nudlov coming on and score. I think is umnceda for confident yakhe. But ngifuna ukumbona Cala noCele naye. I want to see uCele Cala noNdlovu and then umntu wabaphambi kwabo. But midfield the Chiefs in games like this in FNB ngifuna ukubona dominate game. I want them to dominate the game and surprise opponent in the front three. In the front three, I want them to come and play. Come in and out. In and out. You can't stay on the line. So, they predictable. Always you got the ball in diagonal. This boy as well, Monyane, need to learn. You cannot, the priority of Monyane is a defender. Right wing, right back. So passing the ball inside, best you run without the opponent in charge of the ball. It's like you don't look like a professional player. I mean, mga pega lo mfana beba cheat ngai, side one beba cheat ngali Polokwane City. With the boy didn't make right decision. Lo angale ku left Polokwane City. It was not that clinical. Mfana ma decision wakhe was wrong. Go away, a pace uphuma kahle, extra charge, ungena phakathi wela bomthetho. So they were going to get a goal if lo mfana bekahlakaniphile. Well done to Chiefs. I think kule game namhlanje akusukuthi they played well but they deserve more than ngoba iPolokwane they didn't come to the party. How many shots on target? Mhlambi le bhola leli balishayela ugoalkeeper walisaver and then none other than that elinye eliphi.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much, Junior. That was Kaizer Chiefs against Polokwane City. Yeah, we were lucky that someone scored a goal here. The worst thing to shoot videos is when the match is 0-0. It's the worst thing because even the people who are watching, they don't want to watch. Already they know it was 0-0, so we don't even want to hear what people had to say about it. So we were lucky that I was just praying all the time. Whenever a game is playing, just know inside I'm always praying for that one goal, whichever side it goes to, because at least it gives us something to talk about in the game. So at least with Undlovu, he was able to rescue our videos and everyone else, even in the conversation, taking Chiefs to #1, blah, 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 blah. So it generates the conversation on social media and every content creator who have something to say because at least it was not a 0-0 draw. It is Itiski Times, also spotting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.